Oh well, hello. Welcome to the first vlog of 2021. This is going to be my January mid-month vlog and check-in with you guys. I've got plenty to get done. You're probably going to see some kitten action. I think you'll all be quite happy about that. I've got some packages to package up and get ready to take to the sorting office. Obviously we're limiting any out of the house kind of activity. We are locked down. And we are staying locked down. Wow, I should have checked this lighting before hitting record. But yes. Handbags. They will need sorting. And arranging my vlog sale. That needs to happen as well. Okay. Well, let's get started. Today's big challenge is to sort this room out. Obviously the bed needs to be made. I've got some bits and pieces down. I've got laundry that needs to go away. Got more laundry that needs to go on. Got to get rid of all the brekkie stuff. And over here, I really want to try and get some of this sorted. This dressing table here under the rug actually lives in the spare room. But because we moved the kittens into the spare room to get them acclimatised to us and the house and everything, we had to move it out of the spare room. I would like to put these things, the mirror on the floor there, and this dressing table back in there. That is the dream. How much of it do you think I'm going to get done? Here is my outfit of the day. I've got my Bowie sleeveless t-shirt on. It's just a pair of Hush joggy bottoms. These are kind of easy to move around in, and they've got pockets. I've got my phone in my pocket at the moment, and just a pair of socks because I'm going to be running around and I'm going to get too hot to wear slippers. Okay, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. You can see the bed's made, a bit tidied up. It needs a vacuum in here. Put the laundry away. You can probably hear the washing machine in the background on spin for another load of laundry. It wouldn't be a StyledByGwenny video without a washing machine in the background, and I've completely failed to tackle that area. But what I have done is I've taken one of the cat litters downstairs. Hopefully the girls will start using it. Daisy's already been having a look at it, and then I can move the other one down there, and then I can put the dressing table back where it belongs. But I do still need to do something about organising the stuff that's in the boxes and all the paperwork and everything. Maybe I'll try that again tomorrow. We've had a bit of a breakthrough with Lily. She's decided that she wants to come and sit with us on the sofa now, and it is the most glorious thing ever. She is so cute, and she purrs really deeply. Oh, Lily. So pretty. Where's your sister? They're beautiful. Daisy. Right, I have to go and drop off those parcels at the local sorting office, and I've gone for comfort and I've gone oversized everything. Oh yeah. I cannot stop wearing these shoes. They're absolutely amazing. Every time I've been out I think I've worn them. So I'm wearing my oversized Steve Madden sneaks from sparkly sneaks from the wonderful Winnie B LV. I've got my House of Neon oversized bomber jacket with my House of Neon oversized tee underneath. I've got my, I think it was, is it Kin from John Lewis? Hush from John Lewis, wide leg trousers. These are really, really comfy to wear. I like the little slit. And I've got my Prada pouch. I've got my phone, my Saint Laurent card holder, and I'm just about to pop these and that in there as well. Pop those. So I've got a nylon strap that I bought just on Amazon, and I've got some dress up your purse pieces. I've got this silver chain strap, which I love. And because I'm wearing my pale pink, I've got my pale pink. These are all dress up your purse tassels, and they've all got silver hardware, so I'm wearing them with this for a little pop of colour. Right, let's go and drop these parcels off and then go to Pets at Home and pick up the cat's food. Alright, I'm here at the post office, the sorting office. There's a little bit of a queue, but not too bad. Let's get these done. Packages have been dropped off. I now need to go and get the kitten food, and my local kitten store is just a kitten store. My local Pets at Home is literally just over the road from the sorting office, but I couldn't do a click and collect, and they couldn't do any click and delivery because all of the kitten stuff was out of stock. So I'm going to have to go to, it's not the next town, it's part of the same town, but it's the next store along, and it's a little bit further away. I'm not happy about it because obviously it means travelling a little bit more than I want to or should be. But the kittens are going to starve otherwise because we can't get their food anywhere else. Can't even get it on Amazon at the moment. It's really, really tough. We're going to have to look at changing them onto something else. Okay, successfully got food for them for a little while, and because they're absolute massive monsters, we've bought them new huge litter trays and a scratching post, and I've got my mask still on. There we go, which is why I still sounded a little bit blurry. Off we go home. So you can't see from the angle that I'm parked at, but the sun's come out, so I've got my trusty Ray-Bans on, but it does make me want to get those big, don't look at me sunglasses. I'm definitely going to have to put some on my 2021 wish list, which I need to get working on. Right, off home. It's not in its final position yet, but it looks like it's a hit. Excellent. Hopefully this will stop them trying to claw the bed in the middle of the night. Oh yes, Daisy. I did get the new cat litter trays. You can see the new one on the right is quite a bit bigger than the one on the left. These are the extra large ones now on the right, so after that, who knows where we go. So it got quite exciting earlier when I was sort of clearing all this side here. As I was getting this all sorted, Lily decided that she was going to investigate the new tray. The lid wasn't on at the time, but she was going to investigate the new tray, and then she decided that when she got out of the tray, she was going to put her entire body weight on one edge of it, and she tipped the cat litter everywhere. Yes, you did that, didn't you? Lily, hello. You are so beautiful, aren't you? Come here. Oh, I've got that tea towel on the floor there to remind me that I need to hack the ice out of the bottom of the freezer. There seems to be some sort of dent in one of the vents or something. Yes, oh, you're so beautiful, Lily. Look at the size of her. Look at the size of her. Look. And they are coming up for 9 months old. It's definitely time for some gin. This was a birthday Christmas gin from my eldest. It's Brazilian lime gin. Now I don't like flavoured gins, but I normally have lime in my gin, so I'm giving this one a go. I've got a little cheeky slice of lemon in there, and yeah, let's do this. That looks about right. Oh, I made that a bit too fizzy. Oh well. And hubby's just finishing on a conference call. I'll set him up with a little Jack and Coke. Yeah, he doesn't get as much as me. Oh. Yeah, again, made it too fizzy. Oh well. Never mind, it's been a tough day. I've been out and about, and I haven't done that for ages. Chin chin, all you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you all have a fantastic evening. See you next time. Oh, wrong glasses. Hello. Oh, there you are. I can see you now. I can see in the little screen as well. Hello. Okay, I wasn't expecting to do this. That's why my face is shiny, without makeup. My hair is wet. I've been doing things like this tea tree and this sheet mask, one of the ones that hubby gave me for Christmas. I slapped that on, and then I chilled out on the bed and watched a few of Lost in the Pond videos, which Winnie recommended. And if you're not aware of him, go out and check out Lawrence. He's Lost in the Pond. Really, really funny. It talks about all the differences between British and American culture, language, food, everything, houses, you name it. He talks about it. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it, but that's why I'm looking so shiny. All giddy and excited. And I wasn't going to do like a piece to camera for this vlog, but this arrived in the post today. Is my Christmas parcel from Winnie BLB. So I couldn't wait any longer. It only arrived a couple of hours ago. So I thought, shower, moisturise, do all of that, and then let's get stuck in. Oh look, Christmas present, wrapping paper. Oh, that's very, very cute. Oh, how cute. These are the presents. I'm going to open this first because this intrigues me. Oh, how cute! Yeah, okay, well, they'll be on next year's tree. Look at those. Oh, they're red. Look at them. Yeah. Give me the colour. Give me the elbow. This is like the infrarouge version of the Christmas decorations, and yeah, absolutely could wear them as earrings as well. Oh, thanks, Winnie. They're wicked. What's in here? Oh, it's taped. No wonder I couldn't get into it. Oh, how cool. I have been talking about the kind of punk rock safety pins, and look at those. I didn't know Rebecca Minkoff did earrings as well. How cool are those little safety pins and little studs? And as it just so happens, I have gone into my yellow gold, so definitely going to give those a whirl. And I think I know what's in this one because I read the card and she mentions it in the card. Do you know what? I am so desperate to try some L&M, and it is the Cha-Cha Chanel-esque sweatshirt. I am going to pop this on now. Don't look. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cool. And it fits perfectly. Yes. Cha-cha. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you over my Chanel sunglasses. I love it. I love it all. These earrings are so cool. Very, very, very cool. And especially cool, my sister from another mister. Oh, Winnie, thank you. I feel super luxurious. I may have to change the name of my channel to Styled by Winnie. Now, I know that Winnie sent this parcel early to mid-December and I know, Winnie, I know you were fretting about where the hell is it? And the post office lied to you. They said they couldn't do tracking, and then you found some tracking, and then we tracked it down, and we were both eagerly watching the progress as it left the US and arrived in the UK. Oh, it's been a roller coaster, but oh, thanks, Winnie. Thank you for sending me such lovely Christmas presents. Ho, ho, ho! That sounds like the Jolly Green Giant. Green Giant! Don't forget to eat your greens, kids. Right, I really am going to sign off this time. Not with gin, but with a cup of tea. So, just had to share that with you. Happy Monday, everybody. I have got one day to get all of this edited together and get it ready for you. Fingers crossed I'll be able to do it. Until the next video, stay safe, stay home, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye! I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day.